Are you a Canon shooter looking for the perfect all-in-one lens for travel, events, or just capturing life's moments? Superzoom lenses offer incredible versatility, but with so many options, choosing the right one can be tough. This video will break down the top Canon Superzoom lenses in 2024, so you can find the perfect fit for your photography style and budget. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Canon RF 24-240mm f4 6.3 IS USM. Canon EOS R users prioritize quality, especially considering the high-resolution full-frame sensors they employ. Despite this, the Canon RF 24-240mm f4 6.3 IS USM defies expectations for a superzoom lens, delivering outstanding results across its 10x zoom range with impressive sharpness. Our comprehensive review revealed its exceptional performance, earning it our highest rating. While some correction at the telephoto end is digital rather than optical, it remains effective, though noticeable in Adobe Camera Raw. Nonetheless, the lens consistently delivers excellent results, emphasizing the importance of outcomes over technicalities. Overall, the Canon RF 24-240mm of 6.3 IS USM proves itself as a top performer, exceeding expectations for its lens type. Number 2. Canon RF-S 18-150mm f3.5 to 6.3 IS STM. The Canon RF-S 18-150mm of 3.5 to 6.3 IS STM serves as the standard kit lens for the Canon EOS R7, offering a versatile 18-150mm focal range, equivalent to approximately 29-240mm in full-frame terms. Despite its compact and lightweight design, this lens qualifies as a versatile superzoom, ideal for various shooting situations. Tailored for APS-C cameras like the Canon EOS R7, R10, R50, and R100, it outperforms typical kit lenses with its extended range and slightly faster aperture. Additionally, its light macro capability adds further versatility. Overall, the Canon RF-S 18-150mm of 3.5 to 6.3 IS STM exceeds expectations, making it an excellent choice for APS-C Canon EOS R cameras, especially for travel photography. Number 3. Sigma 18-300mm f3.5 to 6.3 DC Macro OS HSMC. The Sigma lens prioritizes telephoto reach, providing an impressive equivalent focal length of 480mm on a full-frame camera. However, this comes with a trade-off, as the lens is notably larger and heavier than some counterparts, measuring 79 by 102mm and weighing 585 grams. Its motor-based ultrasonic system, while aiding in downsizing, can be somewhat sluggish and audible during operation. Nonetheless, the inclusion of spherical, SLD, and FLD elements significantly enhances sharpness, with only a slight drop observed at the longest end of the zoom range. Number 4. Tamron 18-200mm of 3.5 to 6.3 D2 VC. The Tamron lens earns praise for its lightweight construction, tipping the scales at just 400 grams. However, autofocus speed may be considered a tad slow. Nevertheless, it delivers pleasingly solid sharpness across all equivalent zoom settings, albeit with a noticeable decrease in corner sharpness when using the widest aperture in the middle sector of the zoom range. On a positive note, color fringing at mid-zoom settings is minimal. Although now discontinued, this lightweight Tamron lens remains readily available on the second-hand market, offering exceptional value for its price. Number 5. Canon EF-S 18-135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS USM. The Canon lens boasts distinctive styling, featuring a metal mounting plate and ergonomic design for a satisfying user experience. While the previous STM edition excelled in autofocus speed, this newer Nano USM version offers even faster performance for stills, with smooth transitions for movie shooting. The image stabilizer is highly effective, and overall image quality is generally high. However, sharpness at the center of the image frame was slightly underwhelming with this new lens, observed at both ends of the zoom range. Alright, superstars, Now that you've seen the top contenders, which Superzoom reigns supreme? For the best balance of portability, versatility, and image quality, the Canon RF-24 to 240mm of 4.6.3 IS USM takes the crown. But if you have specific needs, any of these lenses could be your perfect match. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.